I feel like, I'm almost healthy again.
Yes.
Kasi nagtatrabaho na. Hindi naman tatrabaho. Pagbubukas lang ng mga regalo na.
Unboxing.
Yes, I'm sure na-miss nila. Honey, you could come in.
Coming na.
Giant Bill is coming in.
And wait, there's one more I have to get.
Kasi for me, medyo, wait, pero sinabi sa akin, kailangan daw, lift.
Mom! Not now.
Not now. Okay,
Galaw-galaw.
yes, kasi may mga blood clot ako dito.
Oo.
So, kailangan, on itself, natunaw, kailangan swim. 6 days ago, ito po, ang ginawa nila sa akin. Yan o. There, all the way back. That's my porta-cap na inakyat ni Dr. Nick. Sorry, not Dr. Si
Ayan.
Dr.
Now you
Nick
can
ang
open it.
nag-supervise, pero ang gumawa si Dr. Jeff Chua. And parang ano siya, very crowded yung sa dami ng doktor na nakabantay. But I'd like to thank them all from Dr. Katsi, tapos nandun si Dr. Geraldine, tapos nandun nakabantay na si Dr. Nick, tapos may anesthesiologist na hindi ako binigyan ng anesthesia. Ganun kakatigising po ako the whole time, naramdaman ko nung unang hiwa. Wala lang. That's life. You know, ang taas na talaga ng pain tolerance para kinaya ko. So that was Doc Janelle na kung hindi lang siya si Doc Janelle, super magkaaway na kami ngayon. But I love him. He loves me. Okay. Yay!
Wow, your favorite.
Ito yung ginagamit ko po. It's for babies, but feeling ko baby din ako. Yay! This is the baby wipes. As you can see, it's here. So, ni-replenish lang niya ako. This is what I use for my face. Para talagang very, very gentle and 100% cotton. Ay, naman yung pinagala. Okay. It's in Shopee. Doon ko una siya na-discover because pinadala niya ako ng isang box care of Dr. Katsi. She said na ipatry daw sa akin. And then nagustuhan ko. Siyempre, nahiya naman akong sabihin na, can you give me more? No. Namili naman ako. Hindi, merong isa talaga gusto ko magpasalamat sa pamilya nila. And now I can say it. Thank you to the Farinas family na kinupkup ako for many months all the way in Ilocos. It beautiful talaga. Meron villa na reserve for me until daw gumaling ako. Maraming salamat kay Manong Rudy at sa buong pamilya niya na halos inampun na. Thank you.
Open na, Mom?
Go ahead. I can't open it.
There we go.
Okay. Wait, I have to show you na I told her kasi na ito yung mga good colors for me for the year. This particular blue. So, sinabi ko.
Very specific.
Yeah.
I'd give that.
Okay. If you have your period or if you're like me na sometimes meron pa rin occasional bleeding. Yeah. So, this is really, really very good. Kasi ito, you don't need to use na a napkin. It's all in one. And then, it's also for those who are newly operated on para sinasalo na siya. Nakadalawang PET scan na po ako. At yung una, alam yung lahat na natakot talaga ako because may nakita silang konti doon sa, very, very near the colon. Oh my God, talaga. That was, I think, one of the biggest scares of my life. And it was the saddest. Talagang, first time akong nakita na gano'n daw ako kalungkot at gano'n ako ka-worry. Tapos, to top it off, that entire day, kinailangan akong painumin non-stop ng this mixture. Ginusto ko nang kalimutan ko ano yun. And basta, it was also Gatorade and honey. It was mixed Gatorade. If you remember. Or gusto mo na nagkalimutan.
Gatorade yata.
Yeah. And then this thing na parang and then after that, we were allowed to eat. But that was the point. Kakauwi ko pa lang and I was like 86 pounds. So, parang wala naman akong gaano kumain. Tapos, nung papunta na, when the hardest call I had to make was when I called my sisters. Because, alam niyo lahat na colon cancer, yung primary cancer ng mom namin. But nung nalaman, it was already it was stage 4. So, sabi ko sa lahat ng, it was clear. Thank you, Lord. And then, I had to do a second one dahil they had to see naman my lungs and they had to see the rest of me because they were worried what's wrong. Bakit hindi siya nag-gain ng weight? Papangalanan ko na, ang sagot pala doon, ensure na hinaluan ng Carabao milk. Drink Carabao milk because it has more protein actually than cow's milk. At malinamnam siya. So, when I needed to gain talaga 20 pounds, yun ang ano ko. Pero nandadayo po ako, hinahaluan niya ng ice cream. So, it's a milkshake.
What
Oo.
brand?
In Carabao milk. Kasi nung time na yun, ang kinukuhanan was from Bim. Nueva Ecija. Ito po,
Not ready pa, Mom.
this is my mom's engagement ring. It's
Oh,
reserved
nice.
for Bim because ito rin yung naging engagement ring ng mommy, ng daddy ko, sa ng lola ko. So,
But this only,
Heirloom.
Yes.
one girl
So,
you have
ito-
that in mind for.
wait na. So ikaw naman ang nagsasabi.
Yeah, but wala na yan,
really,
lumang.
I didn't say anything. So anyway, after that, when I said, Mom, fine na lang. And then she said, yeah, sure. But make sure to buy a nice engagement ring if he ever does get engaged. He's dead na.
Oh.
Never knew he's
Parang
dead.
you're making the shoot sulit.
Oo, parang totoo silang lahat, di ba? Na-miss niyo ako.
Yeah.
Quiet to. And then, it's disposable. So, parang you're sure na, di ba pag
For traveling.
Yes, hindi ka sigurado, di ba?
Mm.
Baka magka-warts.
Yes.
Yeah, di ba?
Sa body.
Yeah, so ito na ang ganda. And it really absorbs. And this one naman, if you're traveling, wait, ito pa mo, biyahe ka. Disposable cotton underwear. Ginagamit ko dito.
Remember, ikaw na
Tama
sa akin
na.
sa Hong Kong.
Okay.
Convenient.
Yes, pero mas maganda to.
Mas maganda.
Malampot.
I will.
Yeah.
Mura City.
Ito yung para sa bag, ito yung parang ano nila, ang lambot nito para sa skin. Look at ito. Ang laki. Akala mo
Ayaw
maliit
nga.
lang mo, pero hindi ka lugi. Tapos ako nagluduha. Pero maganda talaga
Ang
siya kasi very sensitive yung cutis ko. And maganda siya. And I'm not saying na dapat repeat ka ng repeat, pero masusulit mo talaga. And yung mga ano nga nurse sinasabi, Madam, tapon na po natin. Sabi ko, pwede pang gamitin. Kasi matibay.
I can get you one.
Yes, bago ko talaga. Eh, syempre wala akong kita masyado ngayon, di ba? So, di ba? But at least ina-appreciate ko na at least
Yes.
marunong na ako kung paano maging masino. I still stick to my rule na unless ginagamit mo talaga, hindi
Yes.
ko ipapakita sa mga tao.
These are the ones that I use.
These cotton the wet wipes we use for your face also.
Body.
Taray ni din.
Body and hands, Mom.
They-
I can't, ano eh.
Yes. Although this is not our home, we've been here though for 6 weeks. Pero finally, in 3 days, we will be allowed to go. Oo. And meron lang akong kailangan gawin for myself para mas madalas niyo akong makikita. Hindi ako hihingalin. And on its own po sa matatanggal yung mga
Blood.
yeah, it's called deep vein thrombosis na pwedeng makamatay.
Ano?
Hindi ako pwedeng
Sabo.
lumipad until mawala sila because yung air pressure. But, for this birthday, ang kapal na mukha ko, pero sinasabi ko, hindi po ako pwede sa flowers kasi meron, I can really be allergic. Balloons. Yung gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng arko na puro balloons na rainbow colors. Kasi parang feeling ko, this year will be my rainbow year na pagkatapos ng lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ng mga bagyo, pagsubok, lahat ng ulan, lahat ng binaha, lahat ng pinagdaanan ko. Parang this year, slowly but surely, yung mga nagpapaligaya sa akin, magagawa ko na. Plus, other things na gusto kong matutunan. And I would not be here now. Wala ako talking to all of you. I would have long ago given up had it not been for Vin and for Kuya. Kuya's there kasi medyo punished siya. Dahil he was naughty to me last night.
Ano naman naughty?
You forgot this. It's nice. What's that?
Oy! Okay, sorry. I forgot.
What has it
Last one,
over?
bro.
Oo. Okay.
Look at
Think,
me.
ginamit ko na to.
Yeah, these are the ones we use
What's
for
Yeah. Towel.
But that's washable.
Ang sarap niya.
Talaga?
As in talagang grabe mag-absorb. Thank you to my friend Jo who actually owns this. She's not my friend. And I'm really, really grateful to her kasi yung ano niya, nararamdaman ko na yung pagkaibigan niya sa akin is genuine and she always prays for me and she said her whole family. And actually, I was the one who said, your products are so good. Gusto ko ipakita sa maraming tao.
And it's good na the first product that you're endorsing after a long while is coming from a real friend talaga.
Yes, and I did it for free.
Mm.
Yeah, I did it for her. Okay. Because,
And you really like this.
yeah.
Always talaga. That's standard.
So she said na for life daw, isusupply niya ako. Oo.
Nice.
Nice, di ba? Sit down lang para at least,
Alright.
and we can call your kuya. Oh, come here, kuya. We love you all. Thank you.
Alright.
Dahil you've been praying for me nonstop, they still have a mama. And they will have a mama for many years to come. Hopefully. Mwah. Thank you for staying with me. You can order anything you like for dinner. Anong gusto mo? Yes. Okay, anong dinner gusto mo? Chicken. Okay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Okay, so, ang nangyari dito, you were in my hospital room habang nakahiga in my hospital bed. So, each time in my... excited ako kasi next time, malay nyo, in, not mine, but in the swimming pool. Kasi doon daw ako gagawin talaga if I do swimming exercises. Eh, hindi naman ako marunong. Eh. So, syempre, yung dalawang boys kailangan natin. Maraming salamat ulit. Love, love, love to all of you. I love you, Kuya.
I'm getting crushed.
I love you.
I love you also, man.
Yes. Baka may iba nung kinikis si Bim.
Oh God.
Until next time. Bye.